Is féidir liom agus is féidir ling. I can and we can. So, what's this new action plan for Irish in schools about? While the kneecap effect has been credited with boosting the popularity of Irish among young people, that hasn't always translated as their experience. That's why this plan has been launched to support the teaching, learning and enjoyment of Irish in schools. This new plan is based on extensive research that includes the views of young people and children from across the country. There are more than 60 actions set out in this plan. They include extra language support hours, professional development for teachers, more resources and more opportunities to use the language outside of the classroom. It is hoped the plan will help to increase participation in schemes such as Gael Bhreatach. The Minister for Education Helen McEntee says the action plan's ultimate goal is for the Irish language to be experienced as a living language, not just a school subject. Bahachanga Ialorch.